I'm gonna write the Alpha Mart in here. I was thinking, where am I gonna place it? Okay, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna write and I'm gonna do done just because. Okay, let's